Morning. Morning to our army. Time check, 4:15. Running a bit late. So first stop, Jollibee C5. So comms on. Okay, good. We're good to go. Drive muna. See you first stop. Team Army. Jollibee C5. See you in a while. So touchdown. Host ng ating 2025 Infex. So in front of me is yung 4G1 ECY sa Andre. Kino-coordinate lang with the guard yata. So we standing by. Hopefully makapasok na kami. Yan si Andre. Okay, pinapasok. We're good. Touchdown, General Ricardo Papa Senior Memorial High School. So sila ang ating host for 2025 Infex. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan ba. Wala pa sila. Early bird tayo. Ayan, hindi kita.
Hindi tayo kita.
Hindi. Dito sa ilaw. Ayan. So, morning touchdown. Ano yan? Anong school to?
Our Papa.
Our Papa. So,
High school.
post natin for the 2025 Infex. So let's wait for the others. Early bird kami. Una kami dalawa.
Yung next ko si Ben. Okay.
Version 3.0 via
7.
Flagpole.
S7, hindi SW7.
So we're here. Another modification para sa ating antenna system. Hopefully better. We'll be back. DW1YMG on the house.
Hindi, ilan ba kailangan natin? 3, di ba?
Benny. Yung mga rigs natin. Preparation ng mga rigs.
Checking daw. Inibenta po per seat.
Preparation for the mga rigs to be used later on.
Mas maganda yung double batuka mo. Ano? Naku. Pang ano lang yan, Encom lang yan. Pang ano. Apply mo.
So another antenna system to be used. I believe it's JP7 antenna.
Napakadami mong copy.
So pang susubukan din mamaya. Right now, we have 2 antennas on deck. End-fed, hoisted by the flagpole, and JP7 ready for deployment.
Right, lagarin mo na lang. May labas mo yan, Tena.
Ano, tuner mo? Oo, ano yan? May PTT yan.
Testing. So,
Yung power, hindi na ako saksak.
nag-testing ngayon ng mga ibang radyo. Medyo high noise pa. So, figuring it out kung ano yung better setup. So, we'll be right back.
Sabi ko yung pula, yung
Party yan ng testing process for the best setup. Ayun na sila. So, meron ng scouts are little coming in. So, ayun na sila. Hopefully, they get to enjoy the day and learn new things. Tapi yung natin. Scouts. Some pointers about radio. So, ayun. Currently, nag-testing kami. Medyo maingay pa yung location namin. Mahina pa yung binabato sa signal. Hopefully, later mag-improve yung signal. We'll be coming back for more updates. So, later na lang. So, yun. DW1YMJ tsaka si 4I1FCI giving some pointers sa mga ating Girl Scouts. So, pinapaliwanag nila yung natin. Yung mobile radio natin na pwede sa kotse and for portability. So, yan. So, nagsisimula na yata yung morning video na. So, Mike, si Mike is nandyan, nag-usap yung mga scouts, konting briefing for later activity. I'm back. So kids are coming in, our scouts are coming in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 scouts right now. So later on, and then, be briefed na lang for today's activity. So we'll be back when we start the activity, ongoing in the unit. So we'll participate as well. We'll be back later. Ayun na rin si ma'am, for coordinator for the school.
Pwede pa rin hati.
One GRU, si Jerry is trying to brief the scouts on how we'll be communicating later on for the activity. So, na-divide muna into groups. So, meron dito isa kay Benny. Si Benny ang magana. We have around 4 kids. Tapos, okay, Jerry's on the other side. So, sila naman yung magko-communicate. 2 groups will be communicating. Let's see how it goes. I'll be back. So, now, testing mo. So, they're trying to, so si Jerry is briefing them what to do. So, ayan, si Jerry. Or I want Jerry. So, Benny's konting background there. Benny, ano yan? Anong country? Okay, so it seems na ano ni Benny, na Indonesian station yung kausap nila. So he's briefing our scouts. So he's trying, Benny will try to give a contact. Let's see later on. Okay, it seems Benny had a contact, Indonesian station. So it's per contact, it's 5-7 Indonesians with the Indonesian station.
Thank you very much. Mabuhay from the Philippines. 6 kilos, 6 kilo, number 5, X-ray Zulu Echo from Delta Zulu 1, November, Foxtrot X-ray 73.
J Station 6, di ba?
For what? Our third antenna. Ano to, Benny? Anong banda gagamitin natin? Itong setup din. 15. So, it seems pang 15 meter daw.
Yeah. Malalabanan natin sina.
So, ito magiging view. So, hopefully, ma-clear namin yung mga roof. Each side. Let's go. So, it seems na nagsisimula naman yung activity.
Like you, I am also a Girl Scout. Introduced movement back in my high school days. To this day, I have felt always early in whatever circumstances I face.
Ganda ng quality.
Especially in moments when I have to act fast and accurately.
DZ1 and FX.
Just to share with you how I love being a girl. In my fourth year in high school, I decided to remain in the girl scout because of certain
Uy, Kashi, kala ko lang ito.
or what we call
Rizal County. Rizal, tama, no?
Ay, nakabidyo sa'yo.
I learned to feel healthy.
Doctor,
Francis, ikaw may dala nito? Ikaw may dala nito?
Elementary School. Yung location mo.
Isip nga namin, yung isa yun.
Oo. Isang ano yun? Dapat pala pinas.
Fulfill our basic human needs, forgiving and belonging and be the current thread in our society.
Deploy mo para si Jennifer may
And comfortable with communication technology.
Ito.
I hope that this activity will serve as an opportunity and encouragement for the each of you to embody what an amateur service is done as what a great cause should be. Well, everyone, I'm sorry.
With the Girl Scouts, the school is very memorable to the
Hindi, dalawang
DX1 Alfa Romeo Charlie, DX1 Sierra Papa,
check
yung
natin yung
safety proper nila.
1, 2, 3. Ilan kayo balik?
November.
Delta Uniform 9, Bravo Charlie, Delta X-37, November Romeo Delta.
Kunin ko yun.
Yes, to car.
Yung ano yung This is Delta Zulu 1 November Foxtrot X-ray.
Lakasan mo. Medyo sigaw na.
Zulu 1, November Foxtrot X-ray.
Ayan. QSL.
QSL.
Lakasan mo na konti.
Delta Zulu 1, November Foxtrot X-ray, DX1 Gold Sierra Papa. Please go ahead.
School.
1 November, go.
Sige.
Sabihin mo ko lang anong council kayo.
Go.
Isa council.
This is Delta Zulu 1 November Foxtrot X-ray. Our council is Rizal. This is GRPHMS in Taguig City.
Delta Zulu 1, November Fox X-ray. Number of girls, please.
Number 6.
6. Lakasan mo. 6. 6.
6.
Sobrang tipid.
Delta Zulu 1, November Fox X-ray, DX1 Gold Sierra Papa. Your station is properly logged.
Okay na.
Delta X-ray 1, Alfa Romeo Mike, DX1 Gold Sierra Papa. Your station is properly logged.
Ako, bilis.
So, dali lang. Galaw lang tayo. So, ito na naman. May bago na namang setup.
Hindi kita. Kamay na lang.
So, ito na yung bagong setup na antena.
Okay na yan.
Third setup. Let's go, Team Army. Ayan. All clear itong antena. Mukhang better itong setup nito antena. Dipole. So, Francis and Jerry doing the training for the girls. So, naka-check-in na sila kanina. Yung Delta Zulu 1 November Foxtrot X-ray. Saka DX1 Air, 2 stations. Naka-check-in. So, see you later again. So, they're practicing right now. Para later on sa medyo comfortable na sila gumamit ng radios. So, syempre, at the start, medyo mahihain. Pero later on yan hopefully, dito tayo makakakuha ng mga new hams. So, George doing the training. Doing some reminders.
Ngayon, kung sino yung narinig
So, let's listen in.
narinig niya kayo, doon pala kayo sasagot.
kahit magsabay-sabay kayo, kung ikaw naman na naririnig, siya, ikaw ay pupulaw doon. Kaya ready kayo kung sino yung tatawagin. Kaya pag sinabi ng CCQ, sabihin nyo yung kung sino. Kunyari, this...
Mga rigs ng TX1 Air. G1 HC1. Okay, Mike. 4I1 FCI. Isa pa.
Delta X-ray Romeo Alpha Mike. Delta X-ray Alpha Romeo Mike listening. Delta X-ray 1 Alpha Romeo Mike listening. CQ Delta X-ray 1 Alpha Romeo Mike listening. CQ Delta X-ray 1 Alpha Romeo Mike listening. CQ, this is Delta X-ray 1 Alpha Romeo Mike listening.
QSL.
This is Delta X-ray 1 Romeo. Your signal report is 59 and the current time is 1:16. My QTH is Pasig City.
Sige. Sagot.
DX1R, this is DX1R. DX1R, this is DX1ARM.
Sige, sagutin mo muna.
DX1R, this is DX1ARM.
You are 5x9 here in Taguig City.
Do you copy?
This is Delta X-ray 1 Romeo. My name is Ayes. Spelled as Alpha Yankee Echo. May I know your call sign?
Call sign, baka name.
My name is...
My name is Kilo Echo, Alpha November Echo.
Okay na pala.
Alpha November Echo, QSL.
Tama ba?
Tama ba yung sinabi niya?
Kilo Alpha. Alpha November Echo lang daw yung sinabi niya.
Ulitin mo yung my name is...
My name is Kilo Echo, Alpha November Echo.
Upo mo. Para marinig.
Upo ka para hindi ka mahirapan. Bakit ba ng signal?
Can you repeat your name slowly?
Sige, ulitin mo lang.
My name is Kilo Echo, Alpha November Echo. QSL.
Yan, QSL.
QSL, sige, sagutin mo.
QSL.
Sino nagtotono? Sino nagtotono? Totono kayo?
Thank you for the contact. Happy World Baking Day 73.
Kasi yung yan to frequency. Pag nakakontact tayo dyan, ay yun ang isusulat mo. 7009. Ayan yung frequency. Kaya na, puro tayo 144, di ba? Mamaya maghahanap pa rin tayo ng ibang frequency para makakontact tayo ng iba. Naghanap tayo.
So time check, 9:30. So now they're trying to practice seeking for other stations for contact.
Pwede palang makiat si Andre ng
So
repeater.
yan na.
Naka-4-wheel drive pala.
Pwede nang makita. So later on, makapag-enjoy na sila sa contest.
Bakit yung gano'n?
So I'll be leaving for now. Thank you again, DW1 YKX.
Pagphoto, hanggang saan ka?
Hanggang pangalawa.